Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is Premvada and today we are going to study about the CSS background properties. So far we have seen some of the background properties and this is basically the third part of the background properties. If you have any queries related to CSS or HTML or JavaScript jQuery, you can contact me at technical.trainer1909@gmail.com. So far you have seen the background color, image, background repeat, background position, background attachment and shorthand properties. So these properties will be used whether you want to repeat the image, you want to set the image at a particular position, or if you want it to be scroll or to be fixed. So like that. So now I can next property is the background origin. This property is basically used to position the background image relative to the content box. That means whether you want your background image to be positioned relative to the padding box or to the border box or to the content box. So we'll see one example of it. I'll just copy paste it over here. I'll just come back to the original one so that we can see which property will have which value as we are going just through the basics. So now if I just save it and go to the design part, I'll just show it in this particular, I'll just refresh it. So now you can see our image is sort of here. So this way you can set the values as the border box or the content box or the padding box. So your image will be positioned relative to that particular place. Like if you put as the border box over here, I'll just remove this BR tags. Save it and refresh it. So there are no borders actually, so you can just change them to the padding box or the border box and the content box, and you can see. Another thing, we have the background size. Supposingly if you want to set the size of the background image, like over here we want our image to be of 100 pixel size. At this point of time my image is kind of a big, so I want to make it small. What I can do is background size will be your 100 pixels, and after that you can write as the 100 pixel, that is the width and the height. If you just save it and refresh it, so it's not working because it's wrong over here, so I'll just change it. So if anyhow you misspell the property, it will not show that the error, it will just ignore that particular thing and it will show the result to you. So now you can see your image is reduced. It is 100 pixels and 100 pixels, and if you want you can so now you can see it is at the top right corner. You can make it as the logo also sometimes if you want. So now this way you can place it anywhere, whatever you like it. And with the background size you can change the size of your image. If like 100 pixels is very small, you can just go with it and make it a little large, or if you want you can put it as the another unit, as we have discussed it in one of the slides. Okay, So it depends on you how much you want it. So this way you can just change the width and height of your particular image, and you can make it visible. You can change the position, you can change the URL like this. Thanks and have a nice day.